I built the speaker baffles out of void-free Baltic birch plywood, and I have covered them in British small weave cane cloth, and I'm test fitting them now. Today in the shop, I'm going to install them permanently in the same way that I did the chassis pretty much, where I'll build strips and glue them and tack them and screw them in and then screw in the speaker baffle. So once the speaker baffles are all set in, I'll load the speakers, and then the next thing to do today is to load all the hardware onto the chassis, and including the faceplates and all the pots and knobs and stuff like that. Because the front of the cabinet is angled, the bottom strip is going to have to be angled on the bottom side. So the way I like to do that is put the cabinet on the table saw with the face down. So now this angle is going to represent that angle that's on the inside. What I do usually is I lay it on and I eyeball it, and then I use this angle gauge just to make sure that I've got it. We can get this out of here. Okay, now you can see I've got this, and it is cut back at an angle that will match the angle of the front of the cabinet. There we go, looking good. Everything's in. I need that glue to dry, and then I'm gonna touch it up. Well, that was a pretty good day in the shop. I think the speaker baffles look great installed. I like the small cane grill cloth. The hardware installed, everything fits, goes together well, looks great, and speakers installed. No clearance issues, just everything has worked out great. So I hope you've learned something or appreciated just watching this process play out. And I do hope that you'll come back, because the next thing I'm gonna do is build the circuits, and then we'll get to fire them up and tweak them. And then, yeah, they'll have a whole new life. So thanks for watching. Take it easy.